What type of cable do I need to connect PS4 to HP computer?
Hello and welcome to this guide. Today, we will be discussing how you can connect your PlayStation 4, PS4, to your HP computer. We will go over the types of cables you need and the steps to achieve this.
What type of cable do I need?
First things first, let's talk about the cable you need. To connect your PS4 to your HP computer, you will need an HDMI cable. Most PS4 systems come with an HDMI cable, but if you don't have one, you can easily purchase it from a local electronics store or online.
Can I connect the PS4 directly to my HP computer?
Here's the thing. You can't connect a PS4 directly to a computer using an HDMI cable. HDMI ports on computers are generally HDMI out, which means they can send the video out, but not receive it. However, there is a workaround to this. You can use an HDMI to USB capture card. This device allows your computer to receive and display the video from your PS4.
How do I use an HDMI to USB capture card?
1. Connect your PS4 to the HDMI input of the capture card using an HDMI cable. 2. Then, connect the capture card to your HP computer using a USB cable. 3. Now, you can view and capture your PS4's display on your computer using the capture card software.
Is there another way to connect PS4 to HP computer?
Yes, there is. If your HP computer and PS4 are on the same network, you can use the PS4's remote play feature. This allows you to stream your PS4's display to your computer wirelessly. To do this, download and install the PS4 Remote Play app on your HP computer. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your PS4. That's all you need to connect your PS4 to your HP computer. With the right cables and a few simple steps, you can either use a capture card or take advantage of the PS4's Remote Play feature. We hope this video has been helpful and you're now ready to enjoy your PS4 games on your HP computer.